tell you that I love you, and I pray you try to trick me, but baby, you told me you was going through this with me. Tell me I was tripping, that my eyes were seeing shit, but it was just the truth. No, you can't admit to it.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Poetress. If you're new, be sure to hit that subscribe button. And today I am coming on here to show you guys some products that I bought from Ulta Beauty. A lot of you guys don't know, very fine for you, because it's fine for you, bitch. Very fine for you. Do I wear makeup? I only wear makeup when I have to wear wigs because of the masculine features on my face. Like, I have very hardcore masculine features. So yeah, that's the only time I wear makeup is when I'm wearing a wig. So let's go ahead and get into the products that I got from Ulta Beauty. So the first product that I have in my hand is a Beauty Blender makeup sponge, and I basically just got it in pink. The next thing that I bought was the Clinique Even Better All Over Concealer Plus Eraser, Anti-Suns, and Corrector Global. So it's a concealer and a corrector, so that's dope, because I feel like it's best to have all-in-ones, so you don't necessarily have to worry about getting a corrector and then having a concealer. So it's really dope that it's an all-in-one. I'm gonna show you how it looks like. The Clinique Even Better Refresh Hydrating and Repairing Makeup. Basically, the foundation, I got it in the color WN125 Mahogany. This is what the packaging looks like for this foundation. This is what it looks like inside of the packaging. Yeah, we was in the store for a minute trying to figure out what my foundation was. And I was in there like, bruh, I'm darker than those other colors that you're picking out. So this ended up being the one that fit me. If you find a makeup brand, make sure you stick to it, because switching into different types of makeup, that's what causes your face to break out really bad if you keep switching makeups. The last product that I bought is the Urban Decay All Nighter Long Lasting Makeup Setting Spray, which lasts up to 16 hours. So yeah, and it's very lightweight, which is true. They're not lying about that. I've used this in the daytime and it lasted longer in the daytime than it did with just the foundation. So yeah, that's a plus to having this. It lasts in the daytime and it lasts at night. So yeah, you don't have to keep buying primer. I'm so happy to have the concealer, because that concealer about to do a job, okay? That concealer is about to do its job. I just love concealer. I watch a lot of female YouTubers who do makeup, so I got like really invested in it as far as watching and knowing what is what and understanding what is what. So the subtotal for everything was $108. They had a tax of 6.5%. That came to 7.03, and so they added the tax with the total. So the whole total is $115.03. So $115.03 for all of that shit. For all of that shit. Makeup is expensive, but it's a necessity when it comes to certain things. It is expensive as fuck. That's why I don't wear it like that. But I know what I'm doing when I put it on. Like, I know what I'm doing when I put it on, but I don't wear it like that. Like, I'm not a makeup girl. I do the bare minimum with that shit. The eyeliner, and like I said, I got the concealer because I know it's gonna work wonders with this, okay? If you guys are interested in any of these products, don't be afraid to go to www.ultrabeauty.com. Please make sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I'll see y'all in the next video. Alright? Deuce y'all.